Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in sunny Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely simply gorgeous Audi TTS. And this is a 67 registered car, just done over 30,000 miles from new, and he's finishing the must-have, I would say, Nano Grey Metallic paint. Now the car's sat on the 19-inch double spoke alloys as well, but let's take a look at that colour. Now obviously the sun's at my back here. It is absolutely gorgeous. I hope you can see the pearl effect in that colour today as it actually just lands on the vehicle. Beautiful car and very, very well cared for and maintained throughout the vehicle's life. This one is a keeper. So if you're looking for an absolutely gorgeous TT, I don't think you're going to go and find one. The specification, condition, history, everything about it is a yes, yes, yes from me. Now, the front end there, we've got this beautiful grille, high gloss piano black finish there. We do have the front number plate to go on there, but what a stunning, stunning piece of kit. Now, this car's got over £2,000 worth of extras on top of the original list price. So we'll take a look at some of those. So outside we've got the metallic nano finish. We've got these lovely carbon fibre mirror caps. As we look down the side of the car, just look at the sun just ping off that. The paintwork is in outstanding order. Nearly as good as new, I would suggest. Got the privacy glass from the factory, that's an option. Got the parking sensors front and rear, and then obviously this particular car, being the TTS, does have the digital cockpit, and then on the left of the cockpit the picture appears for your parking. Aluminium TTS petrol cap, and then let's look at the side of that. Look at that, sheer beauty. Now this has had a full 3-stage machine polish, so play bar, 2 stages of them polishing, and it comes up like a brand new vehicle. Now wait till I open this door, and that's when, oh my gosh, it's even better. Now this is the red quilted leather interior. We've sold a couple of these now in the S4s and TTs with this interior. Absolutely, the combination is to die for. In that cabin there is such a sense of occasion and style, it is beyond belief. The red contrast stitch runs down the doors. This has got the sound and light package as well, so it's got the B&O sound system. We've got then obviously the digital cockpit, parking sensors are all part of that. I've listed everything on the advert, so if you want to be absolutely 100% as of the build, you can see it on our advert. Firing the car up now, 30,149 miles. Now it's got 4 stamps in the service book, and we've got the invoices for those. Heated seats, automatic headlamps, aluminium pedals, square bottom steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shift, you name it, it's got it. Drive select, air conditioning. We've got the auto hold handbrake, so you don't have to keep your foot on the brake pedal. That's a factory option as well. But look at the contrast stitch there. Everything about it is in as new order. It even smells new, this car. So when you come to view it and you sat in it, it even smells new. So the leather trimmed steering wheel, again, that has the contrast stitch, and then the digital cockpit we can run through. So we've got the DAB radio, we've got Bluetooth phone there. Then if you want to zoom you can, so I'll just press OK, it's telling me how to zoom. And then we've got that then, and we've changed the views on there. So just pressing the steering wheel button there on the contrast, say view, and then it'll change the view to whatever you want. So if you want dynamic drive, it's there in the center, but then let's change that to individual. Efficiency, comfort's always a nice one if you're just riding around the streets. But that is a beautiful, beautiful piece of kit, isn't it? Tweeter speakers up in the dashboard there with the B&O, and then that large subwoofer in the centre. So if you're into your sound systems, I'll give it a bit more volume. You like that? I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper was not a smoker. Not that I want to repeat myself, but it still smells new in there. Opening the rear to look at the seats, I don't think anybody has sat in them. There's not a crease in that leather interior. It is absolutely beautiful. So, 2 keys, book pack, all the paperwork, gorgeous, gorgeous car. I don't think anybody would be disappointed in that. 67 reg, get yourself a private reg, put that on there, you think you bought your brand new car. But what a gorgeous car. So if you'd like to find out some more information on it, if you've got a part exchange, if you've got and require finance, give us a call. We can settle the finance on your current vehicle, swap it over onto this vehicle. You can drive away in the same day. £250 reservation deposit gets it ready, so you only need to come and view the vehicle once here in Wigan. And after you've test drove it, we've seen your Partex if you've got one. We'll register it into your name. You make the bank payment via your banking app on your phone, or finance with ourselves is the chosen, probably the easiest way. Check out our website, check out our reviews, check out our 5-star dealer status. But as for now, I'm Graham, there's Dominic and there's Lee on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. So look forward to your inquiry and see you soon.